Hi guys, somewhere different today. So I'm actually at Box Hill, so I can show you that Box Hill's full of stock too. So you can come down and have a look. But the main reason I'm here for you is to show you we've just received a big shipment of Hong Kong models. Now, this is the reissue. Basically, it's a reissue of the B17F in 32nd scale. It's got the same markings. It just doesn't have all the E parts that was in the original kit or the markings for it. I believe in time they're going to release an E version, but the F version hasn't been available for a little while. So if you want to chase up an F, come and have a pick up of that one. The other one, the main one, has been the 32nd scale Grand Slam. Now, this is continuing along the lines of the very, very nice 32nd scale Lancaster that they've already done. They've done the Dam Buster. This is the Grand Slam. Two choices of markings in it, YZJ and I can't remember the other one. But essentially, you can still build a standard Lancaster out of this if you want to, but there's an extra sprue that covers the Grand Slam bomb, a few other bits and pieces, because this aircraft had a few mods done on it as well. So these are in stock now. Look, it's a lovely kit, and for half the price of the Border Models one, which has got lots of detail and looks really, really interesting. But if you can get hold of it, good luck. But this is in stock now, and this is well worth the money it's valued at. So come and have a look at that. We've also had restocks of the Dam Buster Lancaster, the B17G, the gunship one. If you just want to build a cockpit of the Lancaster, that's back in stock. So that's in stock. And don't forget, we've still got some of these left. They're on special at the moment, so check your specials. And then, of course, we've got the Glass Nose J as well. So let's have a look at what else we've got. There are going to be a lot of brands that are not going to be available for a good probably 6 to 12 months, if not longer. So if you're looking at picking up an ICM kit or an Ace Models kit, do it now, because we may not get some for quite some time. So we've got plenty of stock. They've got all sorts of things here, lots of A model, all bits and pieces, lots of Edward, restocks of Special Hobbies Fairy Firefly, which is the Australian one. It's got Australian markings in it, because you've actually got two versions. You've got that version, and you've got that version with a different set of markings. This is the Korean War version. So there's all that sort of thing, so they're all in stock. Lots of Edward, 72nd scale, bit of sci-fi, so there's a little bit of sci-fi there. Lots of 72nd scale, you've got all the KP stuff. Had a big restock of Special Hobby, so that's been quite good. A bit of Rodin, so that's come in. On this side again, don't forget there's the ICM. This is the 48th scale ones from Copper State Models. This one from Revell. This is the Gotha 229. This is Dragon's old kit with new decals and their version of their instruction sheet, so that's quite good. What else have we got? There's been a bit of there's been quite a bit of Academy come in, so we've had that restock and Phantoms and all the rest of it. So there's all this Airfix, Tamiya, lots of new. We've got more stock of the Tamiya Phantom. That's just come in. So let's have a wander around and see what we've got in Armour and cars and bikes. So what have we got? Okay, Trumpeter. There's been a bit of restock for that. AFV Club, all those sort of ones. This side, on this side, we've got cars and motorbikes. So there's had a restock. We've been getting back in Fujimi, which is really nice to see. So they've had lots of reissues and Skylines, and there's a Mini Cooper S. So that's pretty cool. So we've had lots of Fujimi come in, Ashima. That's not going to fit, I'm not going to put it back in yet. So there you go. So we've got all that sort of more Armour down the side here. Now, Gecko Models. I didn't get to show you these the other day, but that's Gecko Models Daimler. You've got 6 choices of markings in it. This is apparently a really, really nice kit. The couple of reviews I have read already have been very promising. And the second version of their Lark. So this is the more modern Lark. And this comes with a boat, I believe, or the little pontoon boat or something or other. So that's in stock now. ICM, from I Love Kits, or I Heart Kits, whatever you want to call it. That's the M3A1. I'm not sure actually whose kit this is, because I can't seem to find too much on it, but it does come with a couple of choices of markings in each metal. I don't believe it's the Mini Art kit, so it's pretty good. Lots of restocks of mini art. We've got lots of stock of the big trumpeter tanks and all sorts of things up there. All your figures and that from them. Some Armour. What else have we had in? Armour from mini art. Lots of restock there. On this side, that's the big Das work 16 scale Stug 3. That's come in. We've got Ming, Tacom. So we've got plenty of stock in the place at the moment. As you can see, the place is pretty full. All across the top there. So we've got heaps and heaps. And this is all your 70 Master Box. Had a lot of restock of that recently, just before the issues. Ace, bit of Italeri. We're expecting a big shipment of Strelets, a lot of new stuff as well. So if you chase some of that, and of course, our ever popular and ever favourite, the Tamiya kits. So we've got the ever popular and restock of lots of Tamiya armour. Lots and lots has arrived in, so there's plenty of restock. Paints and that we should have back in very shortly, so just be patient. Just the last little lot to show you. Lots of ships. We've had a big restock of ships. We've got Academy, we've got Trumpeter, we've got Fujimi. Again, Fujimi ships, 700 scale, you can't go wrong. Lots of bits and pieces there. Aoshima, they do some really nice stuff. What else have we got? Bit of Rebel, all sorts of things down there. That's all the artillery, or the turrets from Ming. Sorry, not Ming, Tacom. So, and a bit more Tacom there. So, guys, there's plenty to choose from, plenty to come and have a look at, plenty of stock to stock up on. Have a great day. I'll talk to you again. Keep modelling. See you later.